Good evening, friends. Today we are going to do the unboxing of Kawasaki outdoor premium cover. In my experience, it is always advisable to have an original cover because this cover is not available in the aftermarket. And even if it is available, I don't think the quality is up to the mark. And going for an aftermarket cover is actually not advisable. But it's believe me, it's worth the money. So now we are going to do the unboxing of it. Okay, friends, this is the original packing of the outdoor premium cover. So let's do the unboxing of it. You need to be careful because the cover is made of fragile material, I believe. Okay, now we have the premium outdoor bike cover. Great. Yeah, friends, this is the premium outdoor bike cover, Kawasaki original. So it comes with a great packing. So the beauty of this cover is that there are actually two covers from Kawasaki. One is the premium and another one is the ordinary cover. So this premium cover will enclose the panniers also. So that's an added advantage for buying this cover. So it comes with a pack. So here it is, black. The Kawasaki logo on it. It's quite big. It's quite big and the packing is great. So what we'll do is we'll wrap it around the bike and then we'll do a review of it. It comes with also the reflectors. So we have the reflecting stickers and the name is also reflecting. Kawasaki is embossed on it. It's all reflectors. The quality is good. The feel is good. The smell is good. Now we have placed the cover over the bike. We have covered the bike with the original Kawasaki covers, outdoor cover. So this cover is, as I said, it is for both heat and rain. So it can withstand rain also. So actually I have fitted the panniers with the bike and I have covered it, as you can see, and the mirrors are extended. So these covers are meant for the mirrors to be extended. As you can see, the mirrors are over here and the one is over here. So the mirrors can be extended. So the mirrors are extended. It covers the bike completely, as you can see. So it holds on, it clings on to the bike. So actually there's another gap over here, as you can see. So this gap is like, you can, even if you add a top case, the cover will still fit in. So there's a pouch over here. So this pouch for storing stuff, and the gap, still you can add a top case. Even if you add a top case, there's enough gap over here. So this is the cover. And there's a holder over here, so to tie it in place so that the cover is in place. So we have it here, the clip, and the panniers are in place. I'll just show you the panniers. So the panniers are in place. So it takes on the panniers also. As I said, this cover holds is meant to be placed with the panniers, or you can even fix it without the panniers. So just pull it. There's another protective layer inside the cover, as you can see. So this white soft material has been used inside in the inner layer to protect it from the paint. So it's a good thought. Yep. So we are going to cover it with the panniers. See, it comes with the panniers. And there's another pouch in the front. There's another pouch here in the front wheel. There's another pouch. So they're given one big pouch at the back and a small pouch in the front. So to store anything along with the cover. It's a good thought. Now as you can see, I've placed the cover onto the bike without the panniers, with the rear paddock stand in place. So this is the normal storage way of doing it, because I've removed the panniers. So with the panniers, it will be a little bit cumbersome because we need to move around. So now I've removed the panniers and I've placed the cover with the rear paddock stand, as you can see. So it's been placed perfectly. With the Kawasaki logo, the reflective logo. In the sides and in the front. Hi friends, don't forget to press the bell icon, like, share and subscribe, and do give a big thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching my videos.